at 34.40. Got a nice reversal on highs on its way back down into 3,400. If we could get a pullback into 3,400, maybe we're setting here for same place for reversal. It's just set up for a nice pops into the highs on Amazon. The market does pull back. Get a nice short on Amazon already dumping. We got the 920 cross out the gate. Really nothing but a short here off of 34.50 on Amazon if we can get up there. Had the put sitting up here at 34.50, and I just got filled on those. So got a sell order setting out here if I can get filled.
Order filled.
There we go. Just got paid. Boom. Nice. I'm looking at target is down here at 34.10. $10 out of those, man. Let's go. Next target is 34.10. Got a sell order profit taking order setting out here. Boom. There we go. Just got paid. Hell yeah. Took off 80% there. Coming up into the 200. We're coming up into 10. If we can flush hard into a new low into 10 here, I'm going to go ahead and take profits. Get myself down to just a couple of contracts on one strike. I captured about $10 twice on two different strikes. Just gorgeous, man. Beautiful freaking day. 2,500, 3,000 shares, 4,000 shares holding this 10 area. I'm going to take profits. We might get one more dump here, but I'm taking profits, paying myself here.